All right, so now this next question says plot the function h on the graph. So to plot this, I'm going to use Desmos, okay? So if you use your TI calculator, it'll plot it, but it draws like a funny line. It doesn't like jump discontinuities. The newer ones will do it a little bit better, but I want to show you guys how to use Desmos too, because some of you guys are at home and don't have access to the TI calculator. So anyways, graph this, we do open brackets, right? And then we do our domain restrictions first. So I'm going to say x is less than -3, colon, and then the function itself, in this case, it's -4, so that's the first part of it. And then our next domain restriction, which is x is greater than or equal to -3, and then the function itself, which is x plus 5. And then we close our brackets. So you're going to get something that looks like this, okay? Let me move my face out of the way. So I want to take a screenshot of this. Now, the only other thing that we have to consider is the open and close functions, right? So, in other words, or the defined points on the graph, okay? So let's put this over here. So I've got this graph here. I'll make it a little bigger. What's open and what's closed, right? So, well, h equals -4. That's this portion of it right here, right? Are we including -3? No, there's no equal sign. There's no equal sign on that portion of this. So that's an open circle right there. No equal sign, open circle. This part right here is my x plus 5. I know that because it has a y-intercept of 5. It has a slope of +1. And guess what? It has an equal sign in the inequality. It's greater than or equals to. So that is a closed circle. So if you're asked to graph this, just know that this is a closed circle, which means you are including the value of -3 evaluated on this function, where this one you are not including -3. That's it on that one.